Alright guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So this should be a very quick video, hopefully. Basically, I'm going down the road. Hopefully you guys can see it. And you can hear that. It's loose. Something's going on. Let's try the other side. Oh, this side's pretty good. Oh, it's a little loose too. Okay, so obviously it's wiggling. It's doing its thing. It's not supposed to make any movements. That's not right. So let's take a look at it. Should just be a quick video. So we should have some bolts right here. Oops, focus. Some bolts, one there and one there. Alright, so we're going to take our plastic spatula thing. There we go. Alright, so it's a little dark in there. Hopefully you guys can see. Got a little dark. Looks like we're missing a nut. Let's go to the other side for comparison. As you can see, it's hard to tell, but there is a nut in there. So let's grab a nut, put her in. So we're just going to take a nut that we found that will work. If we wanted to take this off for whatever reason, same process. We got the two bolts there, or two nuts. Got that tightened down, and that was a 10 mil. We'll go over to the other side real quick, get that snugged up. Yeah, that's nice and good. All right, put our caps back in. There we go. That's pretty much it. So let's zoom out. See how we did. Pretty solid now. The whole car wants to move, so there we go. Job well done. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, this is really quick and easy, but it's something that I was planning to look at for a long time, probably 6 months. I just heard it rattling and forget about it. Anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, never stop learning.